Huh? We got all the shit. Woo! Hi guys, welcome back to like vlog 3 or 4, I don't know, for the salon vlog. We are now taking everything and it's decorating time, so this is so exciting. I'm so excited to decorate. Ah! But yeah, we have to clean too. Yeah, he wants coffee, I want food, so we're gonna go and I'll tune in when we go to the salon. Oh, I lied. We're not at the salon yet. We're about to go to the salon. And I'm so excited. This is the last like full trip other than like getting like a new cabinet and stuff. So we'll be good. Can you fit it? Did you get the picture, Rams? Sweet. Ah, now we're gonna go get coffee and then head to the salon. We're here. We're putting things away. There's a lot of stuff in this tiny ass room, so. Good morning, it's the next day. We gave up and went and got food. We were both really frustrated, so we decided to stop for the night. And now we're on the way back to the salon to finish cleaning stuff up, and then we gotta measure, and then we have to run to Ikea, which is like 2 hours one way, to get another like vanity dresser thing in time for me to open, because my lease starts today. So we're gonna go get coffee and then go to the salon and then go to Ikea. We're at the Staples because I have to get my license printed because I have to display it. So we're going to get some things printed. I got SME papers and now we're going to the salon. And I smell like Gugan. Parker's putting together a light. And yeah, this is what we got so far. And the shampoo bowl's all hooked up and ready to work. You watch us work.
Oh yeah. Excuse me, ma'am. Can I have my power supplies, ma'am? Excuse me, ma'am.
Literally right there.
I cannot read.
Is it this one? Ready. Oh, that's good. We got the license up. We got my little plant in my camera. We're working on storage here, but that's looking better. Look at it coming together so far. We're gonna go get a cabinet now at Ikea. Well, first we're gonna go get food, and then we're gonna go get a cabinet at Ikea. You ready to go?
Yeah.
Let's go. We just got done eating. I feel thoroughly, I was gonna say thoroughly stuffed. We're on our way to Columbus now for Ikea. It's cold and snowing. We made it to Ikea, we made it to Ikea, we made it to Ikea. I slept on the way. I think that's a U-size couch.
I think so. I think I'm
So.
good.
So, made it to storage. Oh, hey.
I could if I do this dog.
Little curio cabinet.
Yeah.
Don't need that though. I definitely want 3 of these.
Okay.
We're getting those. I don't even know how much they were. Here's the. Oh, this one's got glass.
I can put cold.
Where's this one?
For the saloon. What do you want?
No.
They might have some. What's over there? I can't tell if they're entertaining.
Oh, here it is. Is this the one? No, this is just the cabinet.
Okay.
Alright. Get you a flat cart. We got furniture to find.
mom's dad?
Yes. Tis that one. You got it. I'm being strong man. We got the dresser organizer thing cabinet that we needed for the salon. So now it's time to go back home and build this bitch. Yay, Ikea. We're back from Ikea and back in the salon. It is now like 8 o'clock at night and I'm tired. But we have dishes to wash and things to sanitize so we can put it away. So we're gonna work on that while Parker finishes up eating dinner. We're taking his lunch break, as he calls it, and then he's gonna build the cabinet we got. So let's wash and sanitize some tools. Putting together a rolly stool. It's a pain in the ass. I hate wheels so much. Ouch. Move the plastic cap. Okay. Then you install this seat, I guess. Okay. Interesting. Alright. Well, that was easy. Let's see. Ooh, she coughing. It works. I'm gonna just take me a nap right here. He's doing such a good job.
Okay.
We're almost at midnight. But my lease starts today, so we gotta get this done because I need to make some money in the month of March. Well, the mirror was gonna get hung up, but it is pulling out of the drywall, so we're gonna try to find a new one.
It's too
It's too heavy.
Metal studs don't hold it.
So we'll figure it out. But this is what everything looks like after. It's like 12:30 at night on Saturday. So we're gonna just cut our losses and start over tomorrow. Yeah. So that's gonna stay there. I need to find a new mirror for here. That's built. My little mini fridge is up there. I got my sconces that'll go on either side of the mirror and all my stuff that goes on the wall. That's how that is. That chair will stay there. And then when I do facials, I'll have my facial bed out here. So we'll have enough space. But then I gotta organize all of that stuff yet. And I got laundry to do. But yeah. We're just gonna keep it moving and hope that we get it done.